हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग करने वाले हैं डीएवी क्लास 7 साइंस चैप्टर 6 मोशन एंड टाइम का समथिंग टू नो का पार्ट ए बी सी डी एंड ई। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। पार्ट ए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट, an object is said to be at rest if it does change its position with time. Does not. Second, the SI unit of time is dash. Second. Third, a child sitting in a revolving Gantt wheel is an example of a dash motion, circular. Fourth, a car moving on a busy straight road is an example of dash motion, non-uniform. Fifth, the speed meter of a motorbike measure its speed in dash kilometer by hour. Fifth, B. Write true or false for the following statements. First, the speed of a fast moving train is usually measured in meter per hour. False. Second, the average speed remains constant for an object having a uniform motion. True. Third, a man walks for 1 minute at a speed of 1 meter by second along a straight track. The total distance traveled by him is 1 meter. False. Fourth, an object moving along a straight line is said to be in uniform motion if it covers regularly increasing distance in equal interval of time. False. Fifth, the time period of a simple pendulum that takes 42 seconds to complete 20 oscillation equal 2.1 second. True. Sixth, the distance time graph for a car kept parked on a side road is a straight line parallel to the time axis. True. Part C. Take the correct option. First, out of the following, the only correct formula is B. Distance is equal to speed into time. Second, a man walks on a straight road from his home to a market 3 km away with a speed of 6 km hour. The time taken by the man to go from his home to market equal 30 minutes. Third, the odometer of a car reads 57,321.0 km when the clock show the time as 8:30 am. The odometer reading changes 57,336.0 km at time 8:50 am. The distance moved by the car in these 20 minutes equal 15 km. Option A. Fourth, out of the following distance time graph, the graph that represents a truck at rest is the graph labeled option A. Fifth, in the given diagram of a simple pendulum, the time taken by the bob to move from x to z is T1 and from Z to O T2. The time period of this simple pendulum is option 4. Sixth, the SI unit of speed is meter by second. Part D. Answer the following question in brief. Question number 1. A boy walks to his school with a constant speed of 4 km by hour and reaches there in 30 minutes. Find the distance of the school from his house. Question number 2. The distance between two stations is 216 km. A bus takes 4 hours to cover the distance. Calculate the average speed of this bus in the kilometer by hour. Third, two cars A and B starting at the same time from the same point are moving with average speeds of 40 km by hour and 50 km by hour respectively in the same direction. Find how far will car B be from car A after 3 hours. Answer. Question number 4. A car moves with a speed of 40 km by hour for 15 minutes and then with a speed of 60 km by hour for the next 15 minutes. Find the total distance covered by the car in these 30 minutes. Answer. Question number 5. Define the periodic motion. Give two examples of periodic motion that can be used to measure time. Answer. Periodic motion. Motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time is called periodic motion. Example. First, motion of the hands of a clock. Second, motion of the moon around the earth. Sixth, distinguish between uniform and non-uniform motion. Give an example of each. Answer. Uniform motion. An object is said to be in uniform motion when it moves along a straight path and cover equal distance in equal intervals of time. However small these interval of time may be. Example, motion of a body along a straight path covering equal distance in equal interval of time. Non-uniform motion. When an object first moving along a straight path cover an equal distance in equal interval of time, or second, does not move along a straight path, its motion is called non-uniform motion. Example, motion of a free-falling object. Question number 7. Draw the shape of distance time graph for A man waiting for a bus standing at one point on a bus stand. B. A man walking on a level, straight and narrow road with a constant speed. Part E. Answer the following question. Question number 1. A farmer moves along a boundary of a rectangular field ABCD as shown in the figure. He takes 4 minutes to travel across each side. Is the motion of this farmer uniform or non-uniform? Find his average speed over one complete round of the field. Answer. Question number 2. During rainy season, Shivam noted that the thundering sound of clouds was heard 6 seconds after the lightning was seen by him. If his speed of sound in air is 340 meters by second, find the distance of the point where the thundering sound was produced. Question number 3. A. How can we make a simple pendulum? B. A simple pendulum takes 10 seconds to complete 5 oscillations. Find the time period of this pendulum. Answer. Question number 4. Carefully examine the data given below for motion of two different objects A and B. State whether the motion of these two objects is uniform or non-uniform. Answer. Object A is in uniform motion as it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Object B is in non-uniform motion as it does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Question number 5. Observe the graph given here. From the graph, find the values of distance P and Q in m and second, the value of the time r in seconds. Answer. Value of P is equal to 3 meter, value of Q is equal to 12 meter second, value of R is equal to 12 seconds. आप सभी से मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। धन्यवाद।